got most of these scratches out. We're going to continue polishing on this truck. And if you've been watching this channel, you've seen how we reworked the bumper. We did some touch up. I went in here with touch up paint, but we did some polishing on the hood to get rid of some of this overspray. I still touch up parts there. And then if you look at the paint here, I don't know what's going to show in the video, but I've got these like really light scratches all throughout the vehicle. This thing was driven through a brush field and just got scratched to hell, which is normal for a truck, right? But now I'm going to sell the truck and I want it to present really well. So I want to get rid of all of these types of surface scratches to the best of my ability so that I can have this thing shine when the new owner can check it out. Get rid of things like maybe throw some touch-up paint in there and there. Get rid of this scuff that come there all the way to here. We are going to do some bed liner, I think, in here, and possibly here. That'll be a separate video, so we're really not going to touch the bed to polish it. But, you know, if you like this content, make sure you follow for that video. We're going to get rid of all these kind of imperfections here. And if you haven't already seen, we used to have huge scuff marks here, and we got rid of them with an eraser. And then I think maybe, hopefully, the lighting will show the eraser wheel left scuff marks, normal, and polish those out as well. So this is a big job. I'm just going to get after it, listen to an audiobook, and throw this in fast forward, show you what it looks like when we're done. I took the bed caps off. Going to make another video about that. Now I can soften this line without destroying the plastic. I don't even know what this is. If it's a scratch or gunk or... And I also ordered a new bed cap for the back here that I'm going to pop on. I'll show you that in the other video with the bed caps, but I'm going to keep going with the paint polishing here. 2, 3. All right, I think we're about done now. And, you know, got most of these scratches out. There's still a few that are there if you look close and kind of catch the light just right, but for the most part they are either dulled enough that they're almost invisible to the naked eye, or they're out. And again, I'm not trying to go for perfection on this truck because it's got some things like this that are just paint defects that I'm not going to spend the time to fix. This bumper cleaned up real nice. You know, it's almost a mirror finish now. And again, I did not go for perfection along the edges here. I just went for good enough. And that's what I'm going to do with the black plastic too. I'm going to just wipe it down and make it good enough. All in all, I think I used $10-ish of product and probably spent, you know, about 2 hours buffing this. Maybe a little more, maybe 3. But I'm good with it. I think it's in a good place, and I think I can move on with the other projects on this truck, like redoing the badging, redoing the bumper guards. I'm considering, I don't know if I'm going to do this yet, painting the runners, or at least touching them up, and bed lining the bed. You know, we're getting to the point that we're almost done with this guy. We're almost done with this guy. Maybe maybe